With the ongoing pandemic, it is important, now more than ever, to have a system to document who is and isn't vaccinated. People are faking documentation of vaccination in order to gain access to public venues. To ensure everyone's safety and well-being, a centralized system of vaccine information storage is required. Vaccinati is a global vaccine passport that solves many of the issues experienced with current vaccine tracking systems. It uses blockchain technology to ensure vaccine data is stored securely and builds trust in the health sector, allowing the sharing of vaccine data between multiple countries. The Vaccinati blockchain operates as a permission blockchain, which means different participants have different levels of access. At the top is the operator, which ultimately has control over the network. The next level are clients, which can add new vaccines to the blockchain and store a copy of the blockchain so that it is immutable. If a changed entry is detected, the clients reject the blockchain. This method of consensus works as there is a known and limited number of clients always connected to the blockchain. The clients, which are countries, gain access to the blockchain by paying money to the operator, gaining access to a cryptographic key which allows them to connect to Vaccinati. Within a country, centers vaccinate people and send requests to the government to add the person's identifying data to the blockchain. The government receives this request, and as it is a client, it adds the data. Vaccinati uses fingerprints to identify people as it is hard to forge and intuitive for the user. This data is encrypted on the blockchain to prevent security risks. The lowest level of access is the user. Any user can freely check if a fingerprint is saved in the Vaccinati blockchain through an API that compares the fingerprint against the encrypted blockchain. Here's a short demonstration of a typical interaction using Vaccinati.
Welcome to my store. Could you please check if you're vaccinated? Okay, that's good. Thank you.
The code powering Vaccinati is fully functional and exists as a proof of concept, using identification numbers instead of fingerprints for testing purposes. The stable release, which was recently finished, can be downloaded from my GitHub linked below. As a multinational system, Vaccinati will first be implemented by offering the service to several countries, for example in the Middle East region, free of charge, and expanding the blockchain to other countries. These countries will then be able to update the blockchain with their databases to ensure up-to-date information is available. This would result in a net profit for the operator,